Hello, my name is Phil Forster. This is my design, producing and reflecting project for EMT 303. My student number is 112-751-07. I'll just repeat that, that's 012-75107 for the subject coordinator, Miss Jennifer Watt. This is my project that I have done in the practical sense. And this is my foot scrubbing machine. As we can see here, it's all been pulled apart and all the parts here are being set aside to show and give a good display of what we need, and this is all 100% that we need other than just electricity. The electricity is actually charged in the battery. These are the wires here that are hanging loose. They're actually for these other parts here that we'll be using later on as the final design. For the purpose of this, is just showing the inside of the mechanical system of the actual foot scrubbing machine. Here we've got the main controls of the battery, the actual heel block, which is the actual stone or the pumice stone, and also the engine or the motor as well. And basically at the end of the day, what we use is just this toggle switch to turn it on, and that's all it needs to do. And when it is running, it's running off the axis, okay, and just hold on, held in by the bearings, and which is supported by the mounts as well, which is the plate as well, which is being welded together. All this has been tapped and died and screwed in together. I'll just turn that off just for a moment so you can hear me a lot better. I feel a little bit crook because I've got a cold today. What I've also done as well is also picked up the control unit as well for the charging unit. I actually snipped off the positive and negative and actually just put it straight onto the male insert, which actually goes into the old conventional cigarette lighter, which is the marine grade charging, which is the socket, which actually goes into the positive and negative. And it was rather quite simple to do it. And once that actually is in there, this is the hole that actually slots into. And then we've also got the screw that actually holds it in there, so it's stable. And also the on and off switch as well, which also sits on the outside of the actual housing. And this is the housing that I've actually made for the unit. So it will actually sit on like so. Now, what I'll do in my second video, I'll actually we'll give you a demonstration on real human beings and see how they actually go. So this is the pieces that I actually made. Also, this part here is also, I'll just turn it on so you can turn it around, so it's not going to do it. Maybe I might get my camera person just to go down and just to show you where I've actually, did the machining, putting the grub screws in there so we can actually hold the motor to the actual shaft itself. So this is the real technical part, working the machines and getting this component done, where I made it all by myself without any facilitation of any other tradesperson. So I hope you like this, and we'll move on to the second video. I hope you like my first one. Thank you. Bye.